Introducing the San Martin SN0144 JianZhan GADA Watch, a timepiece where Chinese tradition meets modern craftsmanship. This original design is inspired by the elegance of Chinese porcelain, featuring a screw-down case back engraved with a traditional stamp, a tribute to the iconic JianZhan seal often found on antique ceramics. It's more than a watch, it's a piece of art carrying cultural heritage. Housed in 316L stainless steel, the SN0144 is available in 36mm, 39mm, and 42mm sizes with a slim 10.1mm thickness and a refined brushed bezel. The sapphire crystal with AR coating provides durability and crystal-clear legibility. At its heart beats the Miyota 9015 automatic mechanical movement, offering 28,800 vibrations per hour, 24 joules, and a 42-hour power reserve. It supports hacking seconds, hand winding, and quick set date functions, all with smooth precision. The dial showcases a gradient enamel texture that mimics ceramic, available in stunning shades like blue, red, orange, black, and green. Applied indices, a date window at 6 o'clock, and BGW X1 blue luminous hands complete its striking presence. Choose between a brushed stainless steel bracelet or a premium curved-end FKM rubber strap, both featuring the iconic San Martin hexagon logo clasp. With 100 meters water resistance, this watch is built for daily adventure and dressy occasions alike. Refined, functional, and rooted in heritage, the San Martin SN0144 is a watch with a story on your wrist.